What's going on, guys? So I'm just going to be doing a quick review of the titanium Buck 110. It is a very interesting knife. It is essentially the exact same dimensions as a standard Buck 110, except it has this very cool titanium handle that actually has this almost like a crystal-like pattern to it. Let's see if I can get it to focus in, but you can see as the light hits it, it uh it refracts differently in different directions. It's pretty interesting. So as you can see, it says Buck 110T USA, the T designating the titanium handle. A really nice swedge on top. Let's compare it to the Buck 110 Auto. You can definitely see a difference here in the that swedge is definitely more pronounced on this one. It's got a bigger sweep towards the top. They are both very fine examples. Let's just take one last look at this. And this knife lends very well to a lot of different cutting tasks because it essentially locks into your hand. If you see with those grooves, once you bear down on this thing, it's not going anywhere. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and if you guys want to see more knife reviews like this, just leave some comments below. Thanks a lot. God bless.